Well, hey everybody, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Guess what? It's my birthday, and I'm so happy. Why? Because I get to celebrate my birthday with 3 wonderful people. Those people are Anna from Cooking the Books, Tammy from Yo-Yo Max 12, and Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. They're 3 wonderful gals, and guess what? We all have one thing in common, and the thing we have in common is that we all love Bisquick. So we're going to celebrate by having a Bisquick birthday party. We're all going to make things involving Bisquick. One thing that I love that contains Bisquick is an impossible pie. A ham salad impossible pie. Let's prepare a pie plate. Add about a cup of diced ham, half a cup of frozen peas that have been thawed a bit, some shredded cheddar cheese, and about a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. In a side bowl, I need a half a cup of Bisquick. That's the star of the show. A cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 eggs. Whisk until blended, and pour that on top of those other ingredients. Impossible pies are so amazing because they bake their own crust. Now you're going to cook it at 400 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Ham salad impossible pie. Have you had one of those ham salads before with the peas? Well, I think that's what this impossible pie is supposed to be like. But how does it taste? Get some peas and ham in my bite. It's good. It's ham salad in pie form. What do I give it out of 10? Let's give it a 5.9. I am going to make a second recipe because I just love Bisquick. And it's going to be coming from this 1964 Bisquick cookbook. The recipe is called Gingie Pudding. I need an 8x8 baking dish and a 1/3 cup of butter. I'm going to be melting this in a 350 degree oven. It's melted. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water and a 1/4 cup of molasses. On top of that, I'm going to sprinkle on a 1/3 cup of brown sugar evenly on top. Grab a bowl. 2 cups of Bisquick, half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of clove. Mix that together. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2/3 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of molasses, and an egg. Stir that to combine. I'm going to mix it for 30 seconds. And this gets poured over that sauce in the pan. This is kind of reminding me of something that also involves Bisquick that both me and Anna from Cooking the Books have made in the past, a ranch pudding. Let's see if it's similar, because that was incredible. I'm going to be baking this at 350 for about 40 to 45 minutes. There it is. It says it's best topped with lemon curd and some whipped cream. Gingie pudding. Mmm. Mmm. Absolutely magnificent. Loving that lemon curd. So good. Bisquick is so versatile and makes me so happy. I think I would give this dessert an 8.4 out of 10. So happy you could join me for my Bisquick birthday. Now you'll have to check out the 3 other channels to see what they made. Cooking the Books, Cooking with Sherry, and Yo-Yo Max 12. Thank you so much for participating, and I'd like to thank you all for coming and joining me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. What do you call a flying monkey? A hot air baboon.